Hi everyone, what we're going to do is show you how to upload screens onto your Hyosung ATMs. First, you're going to have to download the folder that's provided in the link below. There's Hyosung screen instructions, example for a 6.0 board and for a 7.0 board. Inside there, you're going to see your instructions, but the main thing you're going to use here is this update folder. This already has all the paths and everything created. So really all you need to do is drop your screens in. So first we're going to select advertisement. And depending on your ATM, we're going to be doing a 2700 CE, which is the 1024 by 600 screens. Now we're going to go and grab our screens. So we're going to grab our Halo advertisement and our Halo transaction and copy those over to the folder. We're going to have to rename those. They have to match, so it's going to be ADV01 and Tran ADV01. Now we're going to come back and do our background screens. So we're going to have to come to the screen folder, go into the backs, and we're going to copy our Halo background over and rename that to back_1. And now all your screens are provided on your are provided in the file correctly. We're just going to go back, keep going back till we hit the update. Now this folder is ready for uploading onto your ATM. So I'm just going to copy it and throw it onto my USB stick. Now we can take this USB and upload the screens onto your ATM. I will suggest, if you are making screens, to use Canva. Again, screen sizes are different depending if it's an 1800, a Force, a Halo 2, etc. Canva does a good job of letting you resize images and make them all uniform. Here we already have our ATM turned on. Here's our USB stick. I'm going to actually just pull it out and use the SD card, but you can use that USB. I just prefer using SD. So we slide that in. And now we're going to go over to the front part and do the upload. From here, we're going to go into System Setup, System Control, Software Update, and USB Software Update. Yes. This is going to take a few minutes. It's just gathering everything, all the images, and uploading it to the machine. Now the machine's going to restart, and the ads will be on our ATM now that we can enable. Now that we're in our main menu, we're going to go ahead and enable all the screens we just added. So first, go to Customer Setup, Advertisement, Welcome Advertisement, Screen 1, Enable. Screen 2, Enable. We're going to come back, go to our transaction advertisement, and enable screen 1, and enable screen 2. Now we got to enable our background screen, which is an optional function 2. Screen services, change background, enable screen 1, and we are done. Now let's see what the screens look like. Here's our screens. That's the background. Coming up to our advertisement screen. Nice Run Dash logo. Back to our background screen. And now here's our Snowscape advertising screen. We're going to test the transaction screen now. Card in. English. The password. We're just going to do a balance inquiry for checking. I don't have paper in, so we're going to hit digital receipt. There you go. There's our transaction screens coming up. Okay. All done. Screens are complete.